Yeah, so today we're going to be working on this jump. It's kind of fallen to pieces from all the rain lately, and it's just become a pain to ride, so now we're going to be fixing it up. Really, all my jumps need a bit of a fix up, but I figured we'd start with this one because it's the one that's most used. I also got this new tool. It's got like a rake on it, an axe on it, and like you can pack stuff with it. It's going to be pretty handy.
Homage got the vibe, got the vibe, got the vibe.
So the first thing you usually do before you resurface the jump is you get it nice and wet so that the dirt will stick to it and go rock solid. Once you've done that, you've got to wait for a bit so that it dries out. Once you've gotten to the point where your jump is looking pretty solid, what I generally do is I'll go get more water and repeat exactly what you just did, like several times, just to add a couple layers, because I've still got mecha cracks on this. The front might look nice, and this bit down here looks kind of nice, but back there it's like a potato. So I'm gonna go get more water and redo it. Is going shiny and you're doing the right thing, and keep doing it. If it gets slick like that, it'll pack really hard and you're gonna have such a nice jump to ride on.